Hello and welcome everyone. In today's episode of Inventory for You and Me, we are going to look at a concept called picking. What is picking? Picking is the process of finding, collecting, and organizing the items ordered by one or more customers before they get packed and shipped out of a warehouse. This is done by adopting a logical order of fetching the right items off their shelves, and in the right quantities, using the least amount of people, time, and effort to get them to the sorting area as quickly as possible. Now, you can go about order picking in different ways, which we will cover in another video. However, if you want to pull one off successfully, no matter the method, you'll need one or more warehouse workers, a pick list containing the items, their quantities, and their storage locations within the warehouse, a scanner or a notepad to capture the items and quantities picked off the shelves, a machine known as an order picker or a pallet stacker that helps one reach items even from the highest shelves and carry them around the warehouse, an order management system to keep track of the status of each picking cycle. That concludes our brief discussion on picking. In the next video, we will discuss some of the most common types of picking. Until then, have a fantastic day.